Hello, my name is Andy Matsuda. I'd like to show you to our decoration for the roll with the sauces. So I have a square, rectangular, and we have a roll. We have just one salmon and cucumbers, a roll. But you can see general idea. We do decoration in this one. Very simple way at a decoration. So how we need to create this one. So before we do a decoration, we can create the very simple way. This one is sushi sauce with red sauces. Red sauces are sriracha and honey, 1:1 ratio. This is sushi sauces or anago or unagi sauces. Very simple way to do it. Second one, so we have round plates. We have, that's what we do. One here, 2, and 3. The center, we bring it in and stuck it on. And we do 2 dots. Okay, this one here. The roll making decoration, as you can see, should be higher and creative the color, and sauces for nice decoration. So you should have black and white, red, and yellow and a green, and help you to your plate, and it's very elegant. You can try on your plate. Thank you for watching.